Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Adedoyin Kitchen and Mom, popularly known as Doyin. Today I will be showing you how I make roasted plantain, popularly known as boli in Nigeria. These are the ingredients that I will be using for my boli. I have my seasoning, my dry pepper, my salt. Let's get started. What I'm doing is I want the ingredient to go in there in the plantain so that will make it so delicious. That's why I'm cutting it straight, putting a line, straight line on it. Do you see the spoon, the smallest spoon? This also is a teaspoon of pepper, so I'll be rubbing it on it. Just pinch of salt in it. So I'll be roasting it in air fryer. So the boli is ready now. Can you see how the boli is looking like? It's looking yummy, golden color. I'll be using groundnut to eat this boli. Some people eat this boli with oil, with salt, and some people they use stew to eat their own. Some people use raw pepper, tomato, and fish to eat their own as well. If you have been eating this boli before, what sauce have you been eating it with? To my knowledge, some use red oil with salt, some use tomato, raw tomatoes, and raw pepper and fish to eat their own as well. What do you use to eat yours? Leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys. We have come to the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye.